Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that owns or manages the channel. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio and go straight to Analytics. Don't detour. You'll see watch time, hours on the overview card. This is the core metric for growth and monetization, since 4,000 hours is the common threshold. Once you see that card, change the date range to the period you care about, so the numbers reflect the time frame you need for decisions. Next, filter and drill down so the raw hours become actionable insight. Use the date range menu to compare last 28 days versus previous period, then apply filters like traffic source or geography to spot where watch time comes from. Once done, switch to the Content tab to see per video watch time and average view duration. This tells you what holds viewers. If you need offline analysis, export the CSV. It preserves filters and lets you sort by hours or retention. Finally, interpret the numbers and act. Watch time alone is volume. Average view duration shows quality. If duration is low, shorten intros or boost early hooks. Once you've applied changes, monitor subsequent periods and compare to confirm improvement. If watch time seems missing or inaccurate, make sure you have channel permissions, allow 48 hours for analytics to update, and clear your browser cache or try an incognito window. These steps resolve most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.